Hello and welcome to this video where I'll show you the company profile from admin perspective in the Sinch application. So here we have the Red Cow company with some basic information below it. The basic tab where we now find ourselves in, you'll find revenues and payments as well as the commission you've made. You can add a private note, which only you yourself see. And below we have the invoice address, banking details, as well as a potential corresponding address in case it differs from the invoicing one. In personnel, we'll find company members, which is members that have access to the app as well, where they can request jobs, which you can then approve. And contacts is anyone that has at least once been a contact person for the company on a job. In the price list tab, we'll find a list of all price lists. There'll always be a default one, but you can have as many as you want. And in orders, we'll find a simple list of all the orders and which ones have been invoiced and which ones haven't. And invoices is a list of invoices, and you can see which ones have been paid. If you have the app in multiple languages, you can set a language for each company, and any corresponding invoices or documentation with that company will then be in said language. So thank you for listening, and I'll see you in the next video.